In Nollywood, celebrities have been respected in high regard. They consistently the principal subject of public declaration. It is true not a simple easy task for celebs to carry on with a private life. After some time, they have consistently been a solid reverence for the acting profession because of the fame and prestige. It is a typical thing to see children of Nollywood stars taking after them in same career. This is a simple way to popularity as these veteran actors have gained notoriety for themselves, which will rub on individuals around them to some extent. We have seen several veteran actors, children who are also Nollywood stars and making a specialty for themselves in the acting career in Yoruba film industry. There are 10 Nollywood stars who joined acting through their veteran actor parents. Number 1, Femi Adebayo. Popular actor, movie director and producer Femi Adebayo, popularly known as Jelili, is the son of Yoruba veteran actor Adebayo Salami, otherwise called Oga Bello. Femi Adebayo has passion for acting. With the inspiration of his dad, he has become an actor to reckon with in the Nollywood industry. He typically followed his veteran actor dad to film locations who started the enthusiasm for the calling. Femi Adebayo chose to pursue a career in acting in spite of the fact that he graduated with a law degree from University of Ilorin and received a master's degree in law at University of Ibadan. Femi Adebayo only practiced the legal profession for 2 years but later fully concentrated on his acting career. His first feature movie is titled Ogun Ajayi in 1985, the first movie produced by his father Adebayo Salami. Femi Adebayo came into spotlight with his primary role in the film titled Owo Blow in 1996, created by Tade Ogidan. He completely joined the Nollywood business in 2006 and he has included in more than 500 films and delivered a few Yoruba Nollywood motion pictures. A portion of his highlighted films incorporate Jelili, Bode Ologbon, Affirmative, Mokaliki, Oruka, Etiko Onigedu, to make reference to a couple. Number 2, Tope Adebayo. Nollywood actor and movie director Temitope Adebayo joining acting through the mentorship of his dad. He is likewise the son of veteran actor Adebayo Salami, a younger brother to actor Femi Adebayo. Tope Adebayo graduated from University of Ilorin where he studied computer engineering. He anyway picked the acting profession just like his dad, Oga Bello. He is popularly known as the movie character Waidi Wide in popularly TV series Jennifer Diary. Number 3, Shola Kosoko. Popular actress and movie director Shola Kosoko is daughter of veteran actor Jide Kosoko. She likewise chose to follow her father's footsteps in acting. Shola Kosoko has acted in several Yoruba and Nollywood movies. Shola Kosoko, who as of late clocked 40 years in January 2020, is happily married to her husband Abiodun Abino and they are blessed with 2 kids. Number 4, Bidemi Kosoko. Just like her elder sister, Shola beautiful actress Bidemi Kosoko likewise chose her father's profession. Bidemi Kosoko, who is also a movie producer and an entrepreneur, is a daughter to Yoruba veteran actor Jide Kosoko. Bidemi Kosoko is a graduate of theatre arts from the University of Lagos. She has featured in several Nollywood movies, both English and Yoruba genres. The mother of one is happily married to Daniel Bankole. Number 5, Mide Martins. Nollywood actress, movie producer and entrepreneur Mide Martins is daughter of lead veteran actress Funmi Martins, who was a top Nollywood star during the 90s. Funmi Martins' acting career lasted for less than 10 years because of her sudden death in 2002. Mide Martins chose to venture into her late mother's career as a form of remembrance, a choice which Mide Martins never lamented as she was unable to envision seeking after another profession. Mide Martins is married to a popular Yoruba actor and movie director Afeez Owo and they are blessed with 2 children. Number 6, Laide Bakare. Nollywood actress and movie producer Laide Bakare is the daughter to late veteran actor Olumide Bakare, who died suffering from an illness in 2017. The entrepreneur, who hails from Oyo State, is a graduate of History and Strategic Studies from the University of Lagos. She likewise acquired a diploma in theatre art from the University of Ibadan. The talented actress has featured in several movies which include Ashiri Owo, Okun Omo Iya, Ọ̀rẹ́ Mẹ́ta, etc. She is a mother of 3. Number 7, Mukari. Nollywood actor and movie producer Mukari is the son of late veteran actor Ehunmi Ray, who was a dynamic around 1970s. Ehunmi Ray passed on the 15th of April 1986. Mukari graduated from Kwara State Polytechnic. He started his career at a youthful age with the inspiration of his veteran actor father. He has acted in several Yoruba movies which include Abore, Adele, Obaluaye, 36 Kiniun, and so on. Number 8, Lasunre. Yoruba actor, movie director and producer Lasunre is likewise a son to late veteran actor Ehunmi Ray. Lasunre studied computer science and started his acting career in 1972 when stage plays were still rampant before the advent of movies in Nigeria. His first feature movie is titled Korede. He acted in several Nollywood movies which include Okpon Irin-Ajo, Ejika, Eworisha, and so forth. Number 9. Sunkànmí Ọmọbọ́láńlé. Nollywood actor and movie director Olasunkànmí Ọmọbọ́láńlé is the son of popular Yoruba comic actor Papiluwe with the real name Sunday Ọmọbọ́láńlé, who was known for his hilarious movie roles around 90s and 20s. Sunkànmí Ọmọbọ́láńlé, who hails from Ilora, Oyo State, graduated from Olabisi Onabanjo University, Ago-Owoye, where he studied business administration. He was persuaded by his dad, who is a veteran actor, to join the acting league. Sunkànmí Ọmọbọ́láńlé has truly demonstrated his ability in acting. He has featured in several Yoruba movies which include Gongo Aso, Olaide Irawo, and so forth. Number 10. Samuel Ajirebi. Nollywood actor Samuel Olaseyinde, popularly known as Samuel Ajirebi, is the son of veteran actor Ajirebi Kayode Olaseyinde, popularly known as Pa James, in popular TV series Papa Ajasco and Company, a Wale Adenuga Productions. Pa James truly set a decent way for his child to follow. He built a good notoriety for himself in acting to such an extent that his child, Sam Ajirebi, is presently profiting by his heritage in the film business. Sam Ajirebi is a graduate of Obafemi Awolowo University, where he studied law. He began acting at a young age and he has grown to become a fast-rising Hollywood star.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.